Sick of Fortnite being silent and ruining your victory royales? First, let's check the obvious. Make sure your master volume isn't muted and is set at a reasonable level. Click the speaker icon in your system tray, located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, right-click that same speaker icon and select Open Sound Settings. Double-check that your correct output device, your headphones or speakers, is selected in the drop-down menu. If it's still not working, scroll down and click on Sound Control Panel. This will open a new window. In the Playback tab, find your preferred audio device again. Right-click on it and choose Set as Default Device. If it's already the default, right-click again and select Disable, then right-click again and choose Enable. This can sometimes reset the connection. Let's jump in game. Head into your Fortnite settings by clicking the gear icon. Go to the audio settings, which looks like a speaker. Make sure your sound quality is set to high. Sometimes a lower setting can cause issues. While you're in here, ensure your voice chat settings aren't causing a conflict. Try disabling voice chat entirely, applying the changes, and then re-enabling it. Finally, a complete restart of Fortnite can work wonders. Close the game completely, wait a few seconds, and then relaunch it. This allows the game to re-establish audio connections. Hopefully, you're back in action with sound.